Alright guys, welcome back again. This is part 2 of today's video. We're going to finally finish up the trunk over there for the Z. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification button as well, so you can see when I post again, so you guys can pretty much enjoy my videos. But today we're going to finish bondoing. As you can see, there's no spoiler up here, and smoothing it out so we can get it ready for paint. So yeah, let's get today started. Alright, so this is pretty much getting down to business. And this was pretty rough. Bro, this is simple. Why didn't we do this last time? We spent like a whole hour on 2 spots. Yummy. Alright, progress is being made, but it looks like it's gonna rain. Hopefully we can just finish sanding it and put some more bondo and sand it before it really starts pouring. So the next thing you guys see is of us is of us painting the trunk, well you guys are gonna call it a hatch, but yeah, painting the hatch. But I'm gonna put this camera down for a little bit and try to finish it up and show you guys what it looks like before we add more bondo to the other holes that we couldn't completely fill. Alright,
what are all the Nissan trucks?
Got everything as smooth as possible. There's still a huge divot in here. We're gonna bondo that again, but we don't have to use fiberglass bondo. We can just use what is it called? Just normal bondo.
Body filler.
Yeah, body filler in, and we'll sand that down. Okay, is he okay? Alright, this is what the mix the bondo put together.
He started out like, well, his parents.
Oh, put this in there. Let's put some specs.
He worked for 13 years. I don't know if he has before, but he used to be a filmer for them.
Look at the precision.
These boys are cool because they have fast cars.
I didn't even watch it.
Yeah, they're Honda boys.
Give me right here. Yeah, I got it.
Right now, he just built his EK hatch, and he finished that.
More bondo for you boys.
He's building a.
I put on the regular body filler, and now we're just smoothing it out. All the holes are like kind of patched, so you can't really see anything no more. And then after that, we'll be doing paint. You see here, it's gonna be pretty good. This is out there. Working on that. Yeah. All right, let me go ahead and close out this video. Thanks guys for watching. It started raining, so we pretty much, you know, ended it. But the car, let me show you what it looks like now. We did this. This is fine. It's just that we had this to finish up right here, these ones right here, and the rest 3 spots over there, and we should be good on the bondo portion, and we'll start painting. But we'll continue finishing up the bonding, which won't take too long, and do that painting I guess the day after. But thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, hit your notifications for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
You don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come